Suhr Guitars. Suhr Guitars, officially JS Technologies Inc., is an American company. The company is based in Lake Elsinore, California, and was founded in 1997 by John Suhr, who has a reputation for building exquisitely crafted guitars, and Steve Smith. History. Prior to founding JS Technologies Inc., John Suhr had worked at Ruddy's Music Stop in New York City doing guitar repair. He started building guitars in 1974, and he created the first Suhr custom guitar in 1984. Teaming up with Ruddy Pensa, they started selling guitars under the Pensa Suhr brand, and the signature model they built for former Dire Straits frontman Mark Knopfler is perhaps their most famous guitar. Around 1991, Suhr moved from NYC to Los Angeles to work with guitar rig builder Bob Bradshaw. Before leaving NYC, they had collaborated on the design of a preamplifier, the custom Audio Electronics CA3 Plus, used for instance by Steve Lukather. They also designed a 100-watt amplifier head, the custom Audio Amplifiers CAOD-100. During this period, 1991–1994, John Suhr built about 50 custom guitars and focused mainly on building amplifiers. Guitars from this period are more rare than guitars from the Pensa Suhr era and can be identified by the built for information handwritten by Suhr in the neck socket. From 1995 to 1997, John Suhr worked as senior master builder at Fender's custom shop. In 1997, Suhr left Fender to form his own company with Steve Smith. Suhr had the knowledge about building guitars. Smith knew about management, software, and CNC programming. Combining their efforts, they had total control of the manufacturing process and used the CNC routers to efficiently produce guitar necks and bodies rather than doing it completely by hand. In the 1990s, Suhr also made a name for himself making pickups, such as the custom-made single coils for Scott Henderson. Bill Frisell also uses Suhr pickups. During their first years, the company built high-end guitars to customer specifications, introducing a new model about once a year. In 2004, they expanded into guitar amplifiers when they reintroduced the CAOD-100, which had earlier only been available in very limited numbers. In addition to the OD-100, which still bears the custom Audio Amplifiers brand, they now also manufacture the Badger line of amplifiers bearing the Suhr name. 2005 saw the introduction of the silent single-coil system, which uses a secondary coil for noise cancellation to enable guitars with single-coil pickups to function without picking up noise. Later years have also seen introduction of various other electronic accessories like single-coil, humbucker and electric bass pickups, mixers, and now also effect pedals. This included a collaboration with Doug Aldrich to create high-output humbucking pickups for an aggressive rock style of playing. In addition to receiving attention for their instruments, the company has also received some attention for their usage of modern technology in the design and manufacturing process in what might be regarded as a handcraft niche of the guitar industry. At the 2010 Winter NAMM show, the company introduced a new line of guitars with a new brand, Rasmus Guitars. These guitars were manufactured in Asia but had the final setup performed at the Suhr factory in Lake Elsinore, California. Moving production to Asia enabled the company to lower costs, and these guitars were therefore priced a tier below the Suhr Pro line. The Rasmus line was discontinued in 2012 with the introduction of the modern Satin series, fully made in Lake Elsinore, but with a simple and standardized finish. The modern Satin initially had ordinary nickel frets, receiving jumbo stainless steel frets since April 2013. Products. Electric guitars. Their guitar models are based on the below-mentioned 5 distinct body shapes, and different series are available. All guitars are built to customer specifications, with the exception of the Pro Series, which are a limited option series of guitars based on the 5 available body shapes. Classic based on Fender Stratocaster, Classic T based on Fender Telecaster, Classic Jane based on Fender Jazzmaster. Standard loosely Stratocaster shaped with additional Superstrat styling including a carved top. Modern 24-fret Superstrat. Modern T24-fret similar to the modern but with a Telecaster-inspired body. Aura based on Gibson Les Paul. Bass guitars. Classic J based on Fender Jazz Bass. Amplifiers. Effects pedals. Artists. Musicians who use/have used Suhr guitars and basses are Red Beach, Red Beach, Red Beach, Red Beach, Red Beach, Red Beach, Beach, Red 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 Beach. Scott Henderson, Humphrey Gavin until mid-minus 2012. Mike Landau, Ian Thornley, Dave Kilminster, Matthias Asato, Pete Thorne, Mark Knopfler, Pino Daniel,